Former Senator Bongbong Marcos has tested positive for COVID-19. This was revealed by his spokesperson on March 31. The spokesperson said Marcos isolated himself at home since arriving from Europe on March 13. Marcos tried to have himself tested in a hospital on March 14 but left because too many patients were also waiting for the swab test. The only time Marcos left his house was on March 22 to go to the emergency room of a hospital. He had himself tested for COVID-19 after experiencing shortness of breath. The COVID test results were released by RITM on March 28. On March 26, his wife, Atty. Liza Marcos, released this statement. She said the entire family and staff tested negative for the virus.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.